adventure.
Hello.
Hello.
It is May 30th, and you asked me to come take a look at something.
A few somethings.
A few somethings. Let's look.
So we haven't done the updates for this yet, have we?
No.
So we trimmed out these 45 angles with bamboo.
From our yard.
I think that turned out pretty nice, and this one too. And you finished out the rope.
Just to make it look like it's not just floating in air, but I think that looks pretty good.
I think that looks real nice. Kind of starts to tie it all in, kind of the Adventurers Club themed tiki kind of whatever.
Let's face it. This is Lake Alameda themed. This is me and you in every piece, even though we've kind of tried to tie it to other things.
But for in perpetuity, for people to kind of be able to wrap their minds around it, kind of relating it back to Adventurers Club, tying that whole thing, just to help them understand the theming a little more.
Not just help them, because we spent 20 years working at Disney. This is still us. This is still very much a part of our story.
Yeah.
You know, we've done work on Jungle Cruise. We've done work on... Never got to work on Adventurers Club.
No,
I was too young at the time. Did spend a lot of time there, though, on cast member nights. One of my favorite clubs. And we did tons of Disney cruises. And so, yes, there's a hint of Disney in all of this. But that's because it's part of who we are.
Kind of how we theme things out. So moving along.
Yes, sorry.
So this was a tooling resin pour, and nothing really sticks to it, but we've suspected that there's a neoprene adhesive, and it seems to have held quite well. Didn't have to put a screw in it yet, but I don't want to pull on it too terribly much, but it's relatively soft. It gives a little bit.
So when you bang your head on the top bunk on that corner.
So pretty happy that we found an adhesive, because we were kind of concerned that really nothing was going to stick.
To it.
But we roughed up both sides really good, and it seems to be holding quite nice.
Cool.
Moving to the scullery. So Laura worked hard on getting the sign together. Gold leafed it. It's foam with epoxy resin.
Yeah. And I'm going to replace the medallion on it. I didn't like the way that medallion turned out. So we've got another medallion that we're working on, so that you can see the pirate parrot a little bit better on the other sign. And I've got another sign brewing for this other side over here too.
On the other side of the fridge.
Yeah. Oh, and the insides of the pantry too.
Oh, yes.
With the shelves now in place. Those have also all been epoxy coated, so they should be pretty
nice and easy to clean because they're hard topped now.
Yay!
And then we've got little eyelet cleats with a little,
so that you can.
So whenever we're going down the road, we can lock everything up and
no
don't
doors
have to worry
opening.
about doors flying open. And then you just take that off and you just put it right there.
Yay!
And then to the bathroom, we've got the toilet mounted to the floor finally.
Yay!
And it's setting up. I'll slowly screw that down because it's a rubber gasket, and it just needs to
gives a little bit, but in time it'll. And
the medicine cabinet storage.
Medicine cabinet storage, yeah.
We've got it. It's nice little plus. It catches just enough on the ceiling to keep the door open, because otherwise it'd keep closing. So, and we did. Right now it's just being held. Did it with
a French hanger.
A French hanger. So we can make some adjustments. Man, I got it real close there. I almost didn't get it. But it did get it nearly perfect. And then we can kind of figure out where we want it on the wall from here.
Yeah.
And then screw it in.
Cool.
And then just put in a 12-volt plug for USB. So they sell little lights, little USB lights that you can plug in. So we
if you want additional
light there, or Christmas lights, or there's all different things you can do there. But just nice out of the way options.
Yep.
Sink faucet is in.
Yay!
Screws are in that. I still need to work on some of this, but we're down to onesie twosies.
Inside.
Yeah.
There's still big things outside.
The whole undercarriage needs to be redone still.
But
this was huge. So
I'm excited.
Yeah.
It's starting to feel like step back here with me so we can get a full. I mean, there's still tools everywhere, and hardware everywhere, and but yeah, I think it feels a lot larger than it did before, don't you?
Definitely.
And a lot lighter. The white really makes things feel more. Cool. Always an adventure?
Always.
That's it for this Lake Alameda update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food, and turning trash to treasure. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation, and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping, RV renovation, to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners and cake decorating. I even FaceTime cook with my 88-year-old dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, explore our travel and renovation playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.